Do you often feel burning, tingling, numbness, or electric shock-like sensations in your hands and feet? These are warning signs that your nerves may be weak or even damaged. The good news? Certain natural supplements can actually support nerve regeneration, improve healing, and reduce pain. In today's video, we'll explore the best supplements that science suggests can help repair and protect your nerves. Stay with me till the end, because one of these might be the key to easing your pain and restoring your nerve health. First, vitamin B12, the lifeline of nerves. Let's start with one of the most important nutrients for nerve health, vitamin B12. This vitamin keeps the myelin sheath, the protective covering around your nerves, strong and healthy. Without enough B12, nerve signals can't travel properly, leading to numbness, tingling, and weakness. The most effective form is methylcobalamin, which plays a direct role in nerve repair and regeneration. If you're experiencing nerve-related issues, B12 supplementation could be a game changer. Second, Alpha-Lipoic Acid, the double-action fighter. Next up is Alpha-Lipoic Acid, ALA, a powerful antioxidant. It not only protects your nerves from free radical damage, but also improves blood circulation. Research shows it's especially helpful for people with diabetic neuropathy, reducing burning sensations, tingling, and nerve pain. It fights inflammation and boosts energy production in nerve cells, making it one of the most effective supplements for overall nerve health. Third, Acetyl-L-Carnitine, the nerve energizer. Your nerves need energy to repair and regenerate, and that's where acetyl-L-carnitine comes in. It fuels the mitochondria, the powerhouse of your nerve cells, so they can function and heal more effectively. Clinical studies have shown that it helps reduce neuropathic pain and supports recovery, particularly for people with diabetes or chemotherapy-induced nerve damage. Fourth, magnesium, the natural relaxer. Magnesium is often overlooked, but it's essential for both nerve and muscle function. It regulates pain signaling, calms overactive nerves, and eases muscle cramps and spasms. If you suffer from frequent tingling, restlessness, or muscle tightness along with nerve pain, magnesium could bring much-needed relief. Fifth, curcumin, turmeric extract, nature's anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It lowers oxidative stress, soothes inflamed nerves, and helps with nerve repair. The best part? It's safe, natural, and has very few side effects, making it a smart addition to your nerve healing journey. Sixth, omega-3 fatty acids, the nerve healers. Found in fish oil and flaxseed oil, omega-3 fatty acids strengthen the cell membranes of your nerves. They reduce inflammation, boost regeneration, and support healthy nerve communication. Omega-3s are also excellent for brain health, so you get dual benefits: sharper memory and stronger nerves. Seventh, vitamin D, the hidden supporter. Most people think vitamin D is only for bones, but it also plays a vital role in nerve function. Low vitamin D levels are linked to higher rates of neuropathic pain and fatigue. Maintaining optimal vitamin D can help reduce discomfort and support overall nerve recovery. Eighth, N-acetylcysteine, NAC, the nerve protector. NAC is a supplement that boosts glutathione, your body's most powerful antioxidant. By reducing oxidative stress, it shields your nerves from further damage and degeneration. Studies suggest it may also help relieve chronic nerve pain, making it a strong ally in long-term nerve health. Supplements work best with lifestyle. Remember, supplements alone aren't magic pills. To truly support your nerves, you also need a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise to improve blood flow, stress management techniques like meditation, And of course, enough restful sleep. Together, these habits can double the benefits of the supplements we've just covered. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried any of these supplements for nerve pain or regeneration? And did you notice any difference? Share your experience in the comments below. You never know who you might inspire or help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to AI Meditalks for more simple, science-based health tips. Take care of your nerves, because strong nerves mean a stronger you.